how to fix or restrict certain activity on your Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing I want to do guys is open the Instagram app and then go to your profile like this. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines right here. As you can see in the top, you will find many options here. Click on the settings. After you click on the settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you want to do here is simple. Just click on the help option and then click on report problem. Click on report problem without shaking, and then you have to send a screenshot of the problem right here, so the Instagram support team is gonna uh, contact you and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.